Football Live 26 has released, ladies and gentlemen. Now, when I played Football Live 24 and 25, people were begging me for a tutorial on how to download this game because it can be quite tricky if you've never done it before. So, I'm going to show you guys how to download Football Live 26 live as I do it for the first time. I've not downloaded it yet, so I'm going to download it here today with you guys. If you have any comments or questions, leave a comment down below and I will reply to you. Leave a thumbs up on the video if this little tutorial does indeed help you. We will be doing Football Live content on this channel starting in 2026. I'm going to wait a bit for mods to come out and extra gameplay mods and graphical mods and stuff like that. Also, because Football Manager is coming out soon, I want the rest of this year to be Football Manager based, and then in 2026, when FC maybe gets a bit boring, we will start Football Life Become a Legend and Master League. But I'm going to download it now just so it's right now. Before you begin, ladies and gentlemen, I will say you need a lot of space, a lot of hard drive space for this game. It's very, very big. It's an all-in-one game. It's based on PES 21. You don't need old Football Life 25 or 24. You don't need PES 21. This is its all-in-one, its own game. You don't need already the PES 21 installed or anything like that. You just need a lot of space. So let's dive in and download Football Life 26. So first things first, you're going to want to go Google Football Life 26, ladies and gentlemen. When you do, you will see a smoke patch link. You click on that and it takes you to this page right here. So at the top, you can see it says Smoke Patch PC Gaming, and here you have SP Football Life, and then you have FL 26, 25, etc., etc. We are on Football Life 26, 2025 to 2026. They have all their add-ons like faces and stuff like that, stadiums, etc. There is a installation guide here as well if you need extra help. But there's a little video. You scroll down and it shows you what this is. So Football Life is our attempt to update and continue the offline career modes found in the beloved and retired PES series. FL26 is updated for the new season 2025 and 2026. If you've downloaded and played Football Life 26, by the way, let me know in the comments down below because I know I have a lot of Football Life fans on this channel now. How is the gameplay? How is the game feeling? Do you think it's in a good place? Again, I'm going to wait a little bit, but I'm excited to see what you guys think about it. This version have a lot of small updates and enhancements and fixes that all add up to a fresh feel of the game. Graphics and sound effects, ball physics and gameplay all received updates and upgrades along with enhancements in the core game and launcher. All of the updated promotion and relegation, etc., is all in, ladies and gentlemen. We perform periodic scans of the database for squads and attribute changes and import new players from Konami Live database, which is very nice. There will be future season upgrades as well. It talks about commentary, real faces as well. You have to get the face pack add-on. 36 stadiums installed by default in the game. More stadiums are available per region in these stadiums add-on as well. Installation is all here. So, ladies and gentlemen, what you want to do is click on download links and you will see 11 parts. Now, you do have to download them in parts. It is all separate. I believe every part is like 20 gigs if I'm not mistaken. So, we're going to click on download and it'll take you here. Part 1. Click on get link. And you have to wait for this. I'm going to skip that, thank you. Gonna have to wait a couple seconds and then click on get link. It is very tedious. It is very annoying, I'll be honest with you. Not a fan of this process. I open it up and you can see part 1. It is 2 gigs. So I'm going to click on download. And now that is downloading. I'm going to go back, click on part 2 and do the same process. You click on get link. You have to click on these. Again, it's very annoying. Just click I'm interested, learn more, and then close it. And then you can click I've already done it. I have already completed this step. You wait 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6. Again, you can pay to like get these quicker and stuff. I'm just gonna do it for free. It's a very annoying process to download, but once you have them all downloading, then you know, at least then you can just let them download. So I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna start downloading all 11 parts, ladies and gentlemen. So they are going. Part 4. There we go. See, now it's doing it just straight away. Part 5. There we go. Part 6. There we go. Part 7. There we go. Part 8, there we go. Part 9, there we go. Part 10, there we go. And part 11, there we go. Now, what I like to do is I like to pause all of them and just let one download at a time, ladies and gentlemen. Because if you try to download all of them at the same time, it's not going to go too well. Download one at a time. Just let them go again. I'm just going to leave this. I mean, I have pretty fast internet. As you can see, 2 gigs. It'll go pretty quickly. So, all the parts are downloaded. It did not take too long for me at all. Now, we have part 1 to part 11. Now, all you have to do is extract part 1, ladies and gentlemen. I made its own file here, SPFL, just to make a file. Extract part 1, and it will do all of them. You'll see it'll make its own folder, SPFL26. It's doing part 1. It's going to extract all of the parts. If you have them, let's see right there, it says part 2 now. So it's going to extract each part by itself. Again, this says 1 minute 30 left. It might go up a little bit, but this should take a couple minutes just to extract. You might need WinRAR or something like that, but extract all of your files, and then again, once that's done, I will reconvene and show you the next steps. While that is extracting, we might as well download some other stuff. So in the add-ons here, we want the faces. We want real face packs. So FL 2026, let's get some face packs as well. So as you can see, size on disk is 37 gig. So 35 gig on top of what you already have, ladies and gentlemen. Again, this is where it starts to stack up, because then you start to get your stadiums as well. All of these, that's 21 gig. This is 28 gig. So we've extracted all of these now. They've all been extracted to there. So we can delete all of these. We don't need them anymore. It's just taking up 20 gig. So now we have the game 28 gig. You double click this and you double click the SPFL setup. I'm going to do this before we get there. Before we get the add-ons, it's going to come up with yes or no. Just click on yes. You click on next. And then you choose where you want to install it. So you see here the disk space needed and available disk space. I'm going to do it in my T drive. Football Life 26 is what I'm going to call it. Football Life 26. Click on start and it's going to extract there. It does say the installer might appear freezing, but it is working. So again, now that is extracting the actual game into your new folder. That is the next step. I'm going to drag that off to the side to my other monitor as it goes. Now, we're going to look at the face packs as that extracts in the background over there. Extract face files from the archive parts. Copy and replace the CPK files. So there's the raw player list. Download links. Again, it's 8 parts. It's the exact same. You click on part 1 and you go through the same process as before. Part 8. There you go. Now, these are all around 4 gigs, so they're a bit long. They're a bit larger. But again, I'm just going to download all of them on the side. I did get this message. Installation complete. Football Life 26 has not been totally installed because of the following reason. Apparently, it can't create a save file. Now, it says I need to redo it. Now, I've double checked. Over here in my Konami file, I have 2023, 24, 25 save file. It didn't make a 2026 save file. Now, it did extract the game, though. If I go back here, Football Life, it extracted the game. So I'm thinking maybe I have to run the game first. I'm not too sure. I'm going to double click Football Life 26 and we're going to see if the game launches. Reinstalling the program. Yeah, see, again, error. Okay. So next, I'm going to find the same file, T, and then Football Life 26. Before I do that, actually, I'm going to delete everything in there. So it's empty. So there we go. I'm going to start again. Hopefully this time should work. I think my Windows Defender was blocking the Konami save file from being made. I think that might be why. We're up to 93%. I'm hoping to not see an error message this time. Doesn't take too long for it to install the whole process. We are downloading the face packs on the side as well. 100%. Oh, I saw something pop up. The bar is full. I'm hoping for a clean installation. Oh, there we go. Okay, this didn't come up for, so it's extracting. So I think that was successful this time, yeah. So if you get that error message, this is why I like doing it live. So if I get any errors, I can tell you guys what to do. If you get the error where it doesn't save the Konami file, go into your Windows Defender and make sure it's not blocking it. All of the files are safe. I can assure you of that. So just allow it on your PC like I did, and bish bash bosh, it should be extracting. So now it's doing the stadiums. I saw Emirates. Now I see Old Trafford. Wembley. So it's just going through all of the process right now. So this is Stadium's installer. I didn't see what the last one was, but yeah, it's slowly... I don't want to click off just in case, so I'm just going to let it go. But it's slowly installing everything. Football Life 26 is successfully installed. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is. So this is the base game file. I'm going to show you how big this is. 31.5 gig is the base game. But remember, On top of that, we're going to be adding in the face packs and the stadiums. So that's going to get a lot bigger. The stadiums are like 200, 300 gigs. So be prepared for that, ladies and gentlemen. This came up, the settings. Full screen is fine. You choose your resolution, 6060. VSync disabled. Controller. I have a wireless controller. So make sure all your settings are okay. I am playing on a PS5. I'm hoping that's okay, but I'm going to click OK. We should now have, there we go, 2026 save file as well is there. Lovely. I think you can delete this file. I mean, this is 28 gigs. I think you can delete the install file as far as I'm concerned, because we have the game file here. Now, we're going to launch. I'm going to click on the start. I'm not sure which one you click on, start or FL26. I think it's the start one. We're going to load it up. Again, I won't have face packs yet. They are still downloading on the side, but I just want to see if the game actually launches for you guys here today. And there we go. FL26, season 25-26. Football Life 26. Let's see if we can load into a game. English. Oh, no. Whoa. Alternate, sorry. That's fine. That's fine. Auto save. Just make sure it loads all of our files and stuff like that. Our edited data. Let's get some system save. And there we go. The new menu. Master League, Become a Legend, Audio, etc. I'm going to mute just in case there's any music playing. But if you go into here, you can see Premier League. You have all of the licensing. Ladies and gentlemen, let's boot into well, Arsenal play Fulham today. Let's boot into Arsenal Fulham. You can see game plan. Yokeresh only 84 overall. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, the Regents Kid YouTube channel is sponsored by Regents Pro Wrestling, the #1 wrestling show in sports entertainment, the most action-packed, immersive, and entertaining show on all of YouTube. Live right here on this channel every Monday and Friday, 5 p.m. Ladies and gentlemen, the best wrestling shows you will ever see in your life. If you become a YouTube member and join our Discord, links in the description down below, you too can get involved in Regents Pro Wrestling and maybe, just maybe, one day become a champion. Ladies and gentlemen, do not miss out the 2 live shows every single week, and this is who we are. But there you go, the updated transfers, the updated kits. If we go to kits, you can see the updated kits as well. We have Emirates Stadium in the game. Let's go into kickoff and just see the first bit of Football Life 26, ladies and gentlemen. I am going to show you, so basically what I'm going to do, I'm still downloading the face packs. I'm going to download some stadiums as well and some extra mods. I'm going to make this, oh, there's Emirates in all of its beauty. I don't know why it shows Barcelona on the side there, but there is the Emirates Stadium. You have the Premier League overlays. Again, all of that is already now. We don't have game faces yet. I do need to just make sure you understand. These are not going to be what the game faces look like when you have the game face mod in, the files in. Don't you worry. But we have all the files, as you can see. And you have Football Life 2026. So now that we know that the game actually works, I'm going to download these face packs and then I'll come back. I don't want to do a half tutorial. I want to show you everything. So I'm going to wait for these face packs to download, and then later on today, I'm going to show you the face pack part. Face pack has been downloaded. Now it says you have to extract it here. Theirs is SP Football Life 24 download. So we have the download file here. So we have to extract it in here. So I have all of them here. If I just click on face pack part 1, go to extract files, and if I find where we have to extract it, so download and extract, is that going to do, yeah, I'm going to do all. Is that going to do all the parts? It should automatically do all the parts. In theory, that's part 1. I'm hoping it cycles through. You have to overwrite all of them to get rid of, there we go. Okay, so you just leave them in your downloads folder, you extract to the download folder, and you let that extract. Of your files should be a much larger size. As you can see, they're all like 6.5 gig now, all together. It's 37 gig for all the faces. I'll quickly load the game and see if they work. If we go to edit mode, we should be able to go into players, theoretically, and then edit player. If we go to Arsenal, for example, there we go. David Raya, Zé Kepa, William Saliba, Gabriel. They all have their faces and tattoos and all look absolutely amazing. Even the youngsters like Enweri and Eze, etc., etc., etc. We have all of the updated player faces. They don't have the youngsters. Max Dowman isn't there, as you can see, but he's also 16, so that makes sense. There's Gyökeres, Kai Havertz, and more. I'm sure if you want to find extra face packs for people like the Dowman and stuff like that, you can. But again, they have all of the faces from all of the leagues, as you can see. I'll show it differently just to make sure. Bundesliga, I'll go to Dortmund. Why not? There's Kobel. And there you go. More faces for you, ladies and gentlemen, just like that. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you want stadiums as well. You want extra stadiums. So, I've gone up here to add-ons and then stadiums. Now, these are for 25. I think they will still work, though. So, copy the stadiums text into the map file, as you can see. So, I'm going to click on England. So, what you have to do, open up your file, go to side add-ons content, and then stadiums. At the bottom... all packs. Oh, at the bottom you see map teams. Double click on that and it will open up your notepad file. And here we need to add in the extra layers. So under add-ons stadium, I need to find, I'm going to do England first. So these are the England stadiums. And again, this is old. So this has like West Brom and stuff like that. So you might need to find specific ones. But I think the IDs are all the same. I'm not too sure. So I'm going to copy all of that and I'm going to add it under the add-ons stadium like this. I'm going to save this and then close it. We need to download it, so media file, and we're going to download the stadiums pack. So we are now extracting the stadiums into our stadium pack. So you go Football Life 26 side add-ons content stadiums. Again, I don't know if this is going to work. I don't know if these work with FL26 yet. Obviously, like I said, I'm going to be testing these with you. So let's test them out. I'm going to extract all of them, load up once more, and then test. And if these work, then I think that's pretty much all you need. You have the game, you have face packs, you have stadiums. After this, you can go out and find more stadiums and stuff like that as well. But let's see if these work. So all of these stadiums are now done. I don't, was I supposed to like change it to like England? I don't know. Map teams. Hashtag England. I think I'm supposed to have them in like an England folder. The Craven Cottage is one that we added. So we can do the opposite of earlier where we go into local match. We go to Fulham and then we go to Arsenal. So stadium, it says Craven Cottage. If I press space, you can see they have the player faces. Stadium right here. We have scoreboards, referee. Okay, so let's go back to stadium. I mean, it should be automatically loaded. I just want to double check. So Craven Cottage, it has the picture of it as well. I'm going to select Craven Cottage. Let's see if Craven Cottage actually loads in. Then that does work. And we can get, you know, Spain, Italy, whatever. All the other leagues as well. It load in. Oh, it does indeed. Craven Cottage. So there you go. We have player faces. And we have stadiums. You have the inside as well. Craven Cottage, one of my favorite stadiums. Look, beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely beautiful. So now you can play Football Life 26 with the updated transfers, updated kits, updated player faces, and stadiums. I was trying to go for a goal then. Can we get a goal? In this little tutorial, shot on target, good save. There you go, ladies and gents. So it is just that easy. If you need any extra help, feel free to, like I said, leave a comment down below. But again, you can go back to the website and you can literally do the exact same. So if you want the Spain stadiums, you just copy all of this into your notepad underneath England. You download it and you drag them all in to where the stadiums are. And that will be that. Ladies and gentlemen, hopefully this has been helpful. Football Life 26 will be coming to the channel in 2026, so be on the lookout for that. Ladies and gentlemen, much as always, take care and peace.